Hey, welcome back, y'all. It's the Multiple Strain King, Ladarius Williams, CEO and founder of the Paid in Full family. Hey, let's get right into it, man. How to make more sales in Myecon part 2. We back like I promised you all. Make sure that you go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I got some more great information for you. You are going to want to watch this until the end. All right, so look. You want to make more money in econ? Simple and plain. Scroll down to Smart Credit System, okay? And you know what to do. You know what to do, okay? You're going to get started right here on the Smart Credit System. Click on this link, and I need you to go scroll down, all right, to the 750. Just a second. Credit plan, okay? Let's read what this says real quick. Cash is king was once a powerful statement. But in today's digital world, credit runs the kingdom. Credit affects every aspect of life today. Even if you have a great career and boatloads of cash, you will still need a good credit score. Smart Credit System is a credit education system that empowers people to build stellar credit, eliminate their debt, and grow their cash flow. Okay? Simple as plain. What you need to do, you want to make more money in Myecon? Go fix your credit. Okay? Because here's the thing. Once you follow all these modules, all right, and you build your credit, and you start to get good credit, what are you going to do? What are you supposed to do? You're supposed to share. So let me show you one of my business partners, man, Michael Costa, okay? So check this out. This is our messages. He said, dang, bro, she said I can get any house with an 800 credit score, okay? Check this out. He said, I almost got an 800 score on all three and 790 on one. Let's pull up and see, just so y'all think this is a game. Excuse me. 782 with Experian, 780 with Equifax, and 790 with TransUnion. Okay? How do you think he did it? Myecon. Okay? Check this out. I just told him congratulations. He said, I'm just getting warmed up with Myecon. All right? Let's fast forward. Okay, I'm gonna take you over to one of our groups. Okay, check this out. See, what the beautiful thing about our community is when folks get results, any one of the team members get results, we share those results. All right, and then we share them with everyone. Student loans removed. Student loans removed. Do you know how big that is? Okay, super simple. All right, and then this is what you want to do. Okay, so I'm going to go to my page real quick and show you how you want to share, all right, and be able to capitalize and monetize off of your results. Okay, one moment. Okay, so we are on my page, right? All right, and what you want to do is you want to share the results. So look, my post, real people, real results. Stop playing. Offer ends today. Prepare your own credit for only $27.95. This is when we had the promotion going. That's on an extra $22. All right, so still no difference. Start 2019 off right. On top of that, you can bring in an extra 200 to 500 a week. Hashtag paid in full. Okay, and all I did was got a post from one of our teammates. All right, sharing things that have been removed off of their credit. Put a post up. Got a lot of likes. Over 40 comments. And what I tell you, when people see this type of information, what they want to know is info, okay? And at that point, all you do is send them your website. Now, hopefully you have a personally branded website, or you have a system in place, okay? I create the personally branded websites for 15 bucks. And I also have a system called Weekly System Profits. That link will be below as well. All right, if you're looking to get involved with Myecon, that link will be below as well to get started at www.paidinfull.biz, okay? It's that simple, you all. It's really, really, really that simple. Don't overcomplicate this thing. Be a product of the product, okay? In part one, I showed you how you can income shift your paycheck by adjusting your W-4 and giving yourself a raise, sharing those results, okay? Going in here, all right, fixing your credit, sharing those results, all right? And as simple as that. And you share the results on your Facebook page or any social media platform you have, and people are going to want to know more. People want to fix their credit. People want to make more money. People want to be able to give themselves a raise on their paycheck. All right, it's really simple. You don't have to overcomplicate this thing. You don't have to have experience. You don't have to be, you know, a serious network marketer that's been doing this for years. You do not. Okay, it's as simple as following simple instructions and just sharing results. Okay, we're in the sharing business. We share information. Okay, so if you can share information, if you can share testimonials, like they say, facts tell, stories sell. If you can share a story with someone, all right, people are emotionally attached, all right, to our stories. People buy off emotion. So once you master that and just become a master at sharing results and sharing testimonials and, leveraging others people's success or leveraging others people's testimonials, you'll be able to build your own testimony, be able to build your own story, all right, and your business is going to continue to grow. But for now, get out here, get the results, get the information, become a product of the product, share your results, and I can assure you, you are going to get tons of leads and your business is going to open up like wildfire. Okay, this is not an overnight business, you all right? It takes some grind, it takes some hustle, all right, but it's worth it, right? It's worth it, all right? When you see the compensation plan that we have, and listen, I'm gonna put the compensation plan below again. People are loving that video, so I'm putting it below, all right, so you can learn a lot about the base shop. That alone is going to turn it's just really going to turn that frown into a smile, all right, if you haven't been getting any success with Myecon. But for the most part, we have thousands of people winning over here because we have a simple formula, all right, and we have the best product known to man, which is financial literacy. So with that being said, that's my time, ladies and gentlemen, man. I hope you enjoyed this information. All right, there's going to be more to come, more training, all right, more marketing tips. All right, this particular segment here was just really showing you how to make more money just by using the product. I'm definitely going to go more in depth later on throughout the year, showing you how to market different ways, all right, to make more money with Myecon. Okay, this is a $1 million company, multi-million-dollar company, and like I say, our CEO said he wants to create 1 million millionaires. I'm going to be in that number. All right, you got to speak it and believe it for yourself and say that you are too. I know for sure I am, and everyone that's riding with me, we're going to go get that bag. See y'all on the next video. It's your boy.